Hello everyone, I'm Nam Marketing. Today I will introduce to you a tool that helps us produce a lot of trending videos, which we can then upload to platforms like Facebook Reels, TikTok, Facebook, Zalo, and YouTube. Here there is a feature that helps us manage accounts, for example, multiple TikTok accounts, YouTube accounts, Facebook Reels accounts, and so on. And here is the part that helps us create trending videos, search and create trending videos according to the desired topic. That's it. Here we can search from platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Douyin, Instagram, and so on. That's it. Here we will enter the keyword that we want to scan. For example, let's say we want to work on a particular topic. For example, if the topic is, say, entertainment, then we would type the keyword entertainment in. And when we press start, the software will automatically scan and download the videos from there for us. Here, when it finishes searching, we will have all the information such as the video link, the content, the number of views, the duration, who uploaded it, and when it was created. So from this information, we can analyze which videos are currently trending. So we will click to select the videos that are currently trending, have a lot of views, and for example, were created most recently. For instance, here we might want to download these videos. For example, they have a lot of views, so we just need to copy the video title, that's it. Here, we will start with the video download section, proceed to download the video, paste the link of the video we want to download, and select the folder where we want to save the video. For example, here we can choose, say, the entertainment videos folder. Press A to save and then click start. That's it. The tool will then automatically help us download these videos in bulk. As you can see, it will automatically download the videos very quickly. Here we can even watch them directly. There, these entertainment videos, see all the videos related to entertainment topics. If you see someone who, Mama, then with these videos, we can start building a channel and re-upload them with tags to many platforms like Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. That way we can generate traffic. So here, after we finish downloading, we can move on to the video editing section. When editing videos here, there will be various effects available. As for how to use these effects, I can guide you in a later section. I'll end this video here and goodbye everyone. See you all next time.